Have you ever dreamed of transforming your web design prowess into a thriving business? In America, the demand for web developers is surging as every organization requires a functional, attractive website to thrive in the digital era. Consequently, initiating a web development venture can be a lucrative opportunity, and here's a comprehensive guide to getting started successfully. First, ensure you acquire the essential skills for web development. Master the fundamentals like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with responsive and secure design principles. Understanding CMS platforms like WordPress, delving into e-commerce site construction, and grasping the basics of SEO are pivotal. Clients desire sophisticated, mobile-friendly websites that perform seamlessly, so honing these skills is paramount. Next, determine your business model. Will you specialize in creating custom business websites, e-commerce stores, or perhaps focus on SEO and website maintenance? Starting with a niche service allows you to develop expertise and streamline your marketing efforts, making it simpler to expand your offerings down the line as you establish your brand. Following that, it's time to register your business. Most aspiring web developers opt to form a limited liability company, LLC, since it helps protect personal assets. Completing this process usually involves checking the requisite state regulations and applying for an employer identification number, EIN, with the IRS for tax compliance. Licenses and permits can vary. Typically, a federal license isn't necessary, but local permits might be needed. Consequently, ensure to research local regulations and acquire any requisite licenses to operate lawfully. Next on your journey is building a professional portfolio. Clients want to witness your skill set in action. Create sample websites or take on local projects to showcase your abilities. A dedicated portfolio website featuring examples of your work, along with client testimonials and pricing, will impress potential clients. Understanding startup costs is vital, allowing you to budget effectively. Attain a decent computer, software subscriptions, hosting options, and allocate funds for business registration and marketing. Typically, a minimally viable web development startup can launch with an investment of about $1,000 to $5,000. As you delve into pricing models, understand what your market can bear. Creating dynamic scale options based on complexity and demand will ensure you stay competitive. Finally, tapping into your network through platforms like LinkedIn, local events, and social media will assist you in finding your first clients, while delivering exceptional service ensures those clients refer you to others. In time, as your business flourishes, consider assembling a team to manage increased project loads, significantly boosting revenue opportunities.